Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
दोन्ही पुस्तक जी आसा पळय न्ही ही आमी रिप्रिंट, कारण ती गोमंतक हे पुराय वीर सावरकरान बरयल्लें गोंयचेर पुस्तक आसा. त्या ती तें रिप्रिंट करप आनी परत एकदां पुराय सगळ्या देशांत तें पावप हें खूब म्हत्वाचें आसा. ज्या निमित्तांत वीर सावरकरांचें गोंयच्या बद्दल विजन कितें आशिल्लें, गोंय कितल्या बेगीन मुक्ती मेळपाक जाय आशिल्लें हें तेंच्यांनी त्या पुस्तकांत बरयलां. तें परत एकदां लोकांक कळप, कारण बरेचशे फावटी स्वतंत्रवीर सावरकराचो पोर्ट्रेट जेन्ना आमी विधानसभेत लायलो तेन्ना बऱ्याच जाणांनी विचारलें कनेक्शन कितें काय म्हणून. जांकां कनेक्शन खबर नासलें तांकांय तें कळप. हाज्या खातीर हें पुस्तक सगळ्या पर्यंत पावप ही गरजेचें आसा. इंग्लीश, हिंदी, इंग्लीश, मराठी आनी कोंकणी. इट इज अ गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्ट.
Today, it's very, very propitious that this book is being launched in Goa, a place which was very close to Veer Savarkar's heart. Even as a prisoner in Kalapani, he had, through the nails and through charcoal, he had scribbled on the walls of the cellular jail that famous poem called Gomantak, which highlighted the tortures that the Hindus of Goa faced during the Portuguese rule, the Goan Inquisition, the destruction of the places of worship, and so on.
There's one thing that's there in the book, Vikram didn't mention it, but I find it truly remarkable. In our sacred texts, there is a reference to something called prayopadesha, which means that when you have fulfilled your role, you decide to exit consciousness. And it's not suicide. I cannot think of anyone else in contemporary India who has done